Welcome back, everyone. I'm Shortcut Sherry, and today's another Tip Tuesday. This week's tip comes from a question that came up during a user group meeting that we had last week, and I thought you might find this interesting. It's around scheduling and creating meetings within Microsoft Teams, specifically when you have to add multiple people to the same meeting. I'm going to go ahead and create a project update meeting in Teams. This is where it gets a little weird because I have required people and I have optional people. I can add the required attendees such as Nestor. Click the link to include the optional field and put optional attendees here. But what if I have 20 people that I need to invite to this meeting? That's a lot of picking and choosing, trying to find people from my address book. Why can't I just use my sales and marketing team that I have as a distribution list? I have 3 different groups that people are already assigned to, and I would want to create a meeting for them. I'm going to click the sales and marketing team and then go over to the scheduling assistant. I cannot see the individual schedules for the people that are there. How do I decide when is the best time for me to meet with this particular group of people? Definitely not through here. So let's go back to details. And I'm just going to remove that team and send it out. Now, because there's a connection between Microsoft Teams and Outlook, I can actually manage this Teams meeting from Outlook. Yes, I said go to Outlook. Here's my project update meeting. Nestor's been invited. I have my optional, but what about that sales team this time? I'm going to type in sales. Here's my sales and marketing team. Working from Outlook, rephrase. When you're working from Outlook, you can explode the group. I'm going to click this and expand the list, click OK. And now I have everybody's schedule. So when I go to Scheduling Assistant, I can see the availability of all of those people. Pick a time that's going to be best for everyone. So let's say it's going to be from 4 to 5. And if I need to, I can actually invite other people that are outside my organization. And from Outlook, I have some luxury in here for adding my meeting notes if we have a shared meeting note location. Or if I need to, I can add different meeting options as well. Let's look at some of these meeting options. Who can bypass the lobby? Who can present? Allow the mic or the camera for the attendees? Record automatically? And even add meeting chat and reactions. Rephrase. This is very helpful when you're trying to control the flow of the meeting. Let's click Save. I'm just going to go ahead and send the update. Go back to Teams. Let's look at our project update meeting. And now I have all of the individual people. So this is a little workaround. If you need to add people to a Teams meeting, you want to be able to invite them using the distribution group and use the scheduling assistant, but we don't have that capability in Teams yet. And I say yet because Microsoft always has cool things up their sleeve. That's my tip for this week. I hope you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out some of these really cool events that we have coming up. In the meantime, I'll see you next week with another tip. I'm Shortcut Sherry, and it's my job to make your job easier.